11:30 a.m. here in Perth, UK. Ready and ready for takeoff. Aircraft Tornado may be familiar to you. It's also flown by the Royal Air Force, that's correctly said by Ben, Tier 1 and Tier 4, but it's the very first time an Italian aircraft shows up here with a special livery. So please everybody cheer up and welcome this flying piece of contemporary history. Coming up, Upside Down, showtime!
No.
First upside down flypast using wings sweeping to the maximum sky while the pilot turns left to perform a very turn. Conceived in the early 70s with another lot of flying device, which now is the new generation common aircraft. It's a supersonic aircraft which can fly as fast as 0.3 Mach, which is around 2,400 kilometers per hour. By the way, next low flight test we are going to chance to hear the voice coming from the cockpit.
The Italian Tornado crew warmly welcome the ladies and gentlemen from the RIAT crew and thanks everybody to be here today.
This low flypast at the lowest possible speed, around 200 kilometers per hour, get the chance for admiring the special livery of the Italian Air Force Tornado, A-200 to the fuselage. Exceeding the speed of sound, the crew is now setting up the Tornado for a simulated touch-and-go landing. If you were on board, you would hear the navigator call 25 maneuver gears down, which literally means fully extended wings, landing gear out, headlights on, pretending to be touching the runway in a touch-and-go figure. Now our triple aileron roll will follow. Today's special livery, the multi-role combat aircraft Tornado, has a rather retro feel, as it is a 4-decade-old model, approximately half of its time in service. It was used for the first time in 1974, and then in 1970s. Still has a matter of life, one of the Texas anti-ground features. Back at the center of the display line, pickups are all under turn, which you can appreciate time already. Brace yourselves now as next flight past is a noisy one. It's a sharp knife-edge flight past, my personal favorite. Silently creeping and gliding into the sky before passing out and staying there to the roar. Tornado, jointly developed by UK, Germany and Italy, logged shed-loads and shed-loads of flying hours, pain in the neck of the enemy's air defense. He said to have already just passed the threshold of his firmly expected lifetime. By the way, these guys are showing how much the spoiled brother has yet to teach to the younger generations. With the day return, the aircraft gets ready for the second max thrust flight test, where you might see another part of the 60th anniversary special livery, the number 311 on the belly, which stands for the 311 Flight Squadron, one of the crown jewels of the Italian Air Force. Today, freestyle trying to exit, pointing the crowd, go under 60 for us. Last chance for us to bid farewell to this aircraft, which literally changed European defense history. Thank you very much indeed. I hand it over to Ben. Let's see you again in a couple of hours for the C-27J Spartan display of the Italian Air Force.
Michelle, thank you very much indeed. What a wonderful and spirited display there. I'm privileged to also chair the Flight Control Committee at RIAT Cosford, and just 1 month ago when we had the display, we awarded a very good special mention to the Italian display. It was one of the few fast jets that we had on display there, but the colour scheme and the way the display evolved to fit the surrounding countryside of Cosford was fantastic, and thank you very much indeed. It was a privilege to have you there, and a privilege to have you here at the Royal International Air Tattoo.
Yes, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mark. It was our pride to win the prize, to be awarded the prize in Cosford, and thank you for your nice work.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Not the last we'll hear from Mike, not the last we'll see from the Italian Air Force, as the Tornado, rather than employing its reverse thrust, makes a very impressive aerodynamic braking run down Fairford's main runway.
Yeah.